Are you ready to unlock the secrets of your age data in Tableau and reveal fascinating demographic insights? First things first, import your dataset into Tableau, ensuring you have a column containing the birth dates. This will be the foundation for our age analysis. Next, it's time to create our age list by navigating to Analysis, then select Create Calculated Field. Think of this feature like a secret weapon to wrangle your data. Now, let's build the calculated field. Give it a descriptive name, like age. Categories. For the calculations, you'll use functions to find the difference between the current date and the birth date. We will utilize logical statements to group all the age ranges. Here we create conditional statements. For instance, the formula first checks if an individual is 17 years old and assigns them to the 017 category. If not, it moves to the next possible age range. Complete these statements for the other age ranges you wish to analyze, then finish with the creation of a final, broader age range. Let's visualize our newfound age insights. Drag your newly created age categories field to the row shelf, and then drag the count of records field to the columns shelf. This will automatically build a bar chart that will display frequency for each age group. Customize your visualization for enhanced clarity. Add labels to the bars, and also customize chart appearances and tooltips. Ensure your audience instantly grasps the underlying story. And there you have it. You've created a captivating age list that provides a detailed demographic distribution. Explore the data, experiment with other visualizations, and unlock valuable insights from your age data with Tableau. You can easily transform raw data into compelling stories.